Welcome back again to another video. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways you can style your natural hair. Okay, so I'm going to start by parting your hair right at the middle, just like you guys can see in the video. And then once that is done, I'll just go ahead and take my Bamsi Wax and I'm going to use it to clean out my parts. Okay, hey loves, welcome back again to another video. My name is Jenna Tungo. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. If not, welcome back. Now that you're here, please be sure to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you may be notified whenever I upload a new video. So I do create different DIY hairstyles, so keep it here for this and many more amazing hair tutorials. Okay, I just went ahead and secure one side of the hair because you're going to work on the other side. Okay, just to get it out of the way. So I'm using Sofnfree Gel to slick down the hair, and then I'll go over again with just a little bit of Bamsi Wax just to make sure that my hair lays flat so that you don't have so many flyaways going on. Okay, so that is what I'm doing. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comment section down below.
Can I tell you what I loved about you? All the reasons to make it hard without you. Hard without you. Because back then, if I could do it again, would've make it less so I wouldn't lose you. I wouldn't lose you. 'Cause you were gone too soon, and my only rescue to get lost in the memories. I cannot believe that you left me here now. 'Cause you're not for me to keep, and I hope that you hear me when I talk to you. Trust me, there's a lot of things that I wish you knew. 'Cause you tell me exactly what I should do. Wouldn't be questioning my every move. All I do with me is for you. You, you. All I do with me is for you. You, you. All I do with me is for you. Can we rewind? Go back to the old nights where I would lay in bed right next to you. Right next to you.
So now for the extension, I'm going to use this Brazilian wool, but you can just choose to use normal braiding hair. You'll just get same results. Okay, after attaching it onto my natural hair band, I'll just go ahead and grab a piece of the extension. I'm going to use it to secure the ponytail so that it doesn't move or come out or anything of sort. Okay, so just like I've mentioned, you can do this same hairstyle but now with braiding hair. If you don't have Brazilian wool, okay, you'll just get the same results.
You were gone too soon, and my only rescue to get lost in the memories. You'd always keep me safe, treat me like the best. Now there's really nothing left, and I hope that you hear me when I talk to you. Trust me, there's a lot of things that I wish you knew. 'Cause
So loves, right about now, I'm just securing the extension using this thread. Okay, so we are going to have bubble ponytail. Okay, so just keep on watching and see what I am doing. Okay, so once I reach towards the end of the extension, I'll just secure that with an elastic rubber band.
you tell me exactly what I should do. Wouldn't be questioning my every move. All I do with me is for you. You. All I do with me is for you. You. All I do with me is for I didn't even say goodbye, but I trust you'll be by my side until the day I die, and we're both in the sky. All I do with me is
So let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below if you're going to give this hairstyle a try, because I feel like it is super affordable, and again it is very easy to do. You can literally do this hairstyle at the comfort of your home, and again it is perfect for any occasion. If you don't want to have hair all over, then this is super easy to do and very convenient. Okay, so let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And again, if you have watched this video till this very point and you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe, stick around for this and many more amazing hair tutorials, and please don't forget to like the video so that it can be shared to other people who will be interested to know how to do this particular hairstyle. So this was it for today's video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for keeping me company. I will see you again in my next one. Bye for now and take care.